Alright, quick intro to this video. I already put out a part 1 and didn't really explain much. Anyway, my friends and I are partners on this. It's a 1981 Christian Eagle biplane, and we had to replace this part recently. It's a support beam for the canopy. Anyway, my partners went to go get it, and they spent $100 and got a new one, which wasn't a bad deal. They also came back with a brand new airplane. Alright, so they've been working on this airplane pretty much non-stop for the last couple weeks. It's still in pieces. You can see the wings up against the wall here, but a lot of work's been done. The fuel tank's been taken out, and the upper wing has an oil tank, so the smoke system's ready to go. Hey, thanks, Larry. Alright, so a lot of guys were asking about the ailerons on this airplane. As you can see here, it's a cable-controlled aileron system as opposed to a pushrod system that most of the pits have. So the wings are in pretty good condition as they are, the top wing especially. There is this one hole in the leading edge though, so that's got to be addressed. The spinner as seen here, as well as the cowls, all needed fiberglass work, which has been done, and it looks pretty good. It'll look really good once it's painted.
Everybody on the biplane forum says this is a left and a right.
Yeah.
But I can't see how it's a left and a right. I think it's can you see?
Right?
It's totally symmetrical.
And of course the prop was removed, new alternator belt was put on, any of the accessories were cleaned, and the engine's actually pretty clean. It's relatively low time. I think it's got maybe 100 or 200 hours on it. Alright guys, good luck with it. I gotta run.
Okay.
Okay,
Larry, have a good trip.
Alright, see you guys. Alright, so my family and I, we headed out to Kansas City, where my wife's from, to visit relatives. Had a great stay. I am back now, and let's see what work's been done. Alright, as you can see, the airplane looks beautiful. The cockpit's been cleaned up. It looks nice. Comm radio's been put in, as well as an ADS-B in and out. The spinner and paint on the cowl turned out really, really good. A few stickers on the side. All in all, the paint job on this airplane is beautiful. So the airplane's leaving the garage now and heading up north, going to Santa Paula for final assembly, where the wings will meet the fuselage for the first time in a long time. This airplane has been in storage for quite a few years, so it'll be great to get it back in the air. Alright, well that's going to do it for this video, guys. I will put out a part 3 when the airplane is flying. Speaking of flying, I'll leave you guys with a little bit of a flying clip around Catalina Island here at the end of this video. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this, subscribe, and we'll see you.